Here is the question. Heat transfer through a composite wall is shown in figure. Both the sections of the wall have equal thickness L. The conductivity of one section is K and that of the other is 2K. The left face of the wall is at 600 Kelvin and the right face is at 300 Kelvin. The interface temperature Ti of the composite wall is. This question was asked in GATE 2014 set 3 for 2 marks. So here is the figure in which one side of the wall is at 600 Kelvin, the other side is at 300 Kelvin, and this is having a thermal conductivity K and this wall is having thermal conductivity 2K, and both are having equal thickness L. Now we need to determine the interface temperature Ti, that means the temperature of this particular portion. So this interface temperature we need to determine. In order to determine this, in the question it was given that both the sections of the wall have equal thickness. So we need to determine the interface temperature. For that, as we know that under steady state conditions, whatever is the heat transferred in the first section, that will be equal to heat transferred in the second section. So therefore, we can take heat transfer in the first section as 600 minus Ti divided by L by K into area. So this will be equal to Ti minus 300 divided by L by 2K into A. So here we need to consider the area that is perpendicular to the heat flow direction. So therefore, when we take heat flow direction in this way, the area that is perpendicular to the heat flow direction will be equal for both the slabs. So if I draw the three-dimensional view of this particular figure, you can understand that we need to consider this particular area. This area we need to consider. For both these walls, the area will be same. That's why I have taken A like this. So area gets cancelled, L gets cancelled, K gets cancelled. We can write this as 600 minus Ti is equal to 2 into Ti minus 300. So this will be 2 Ti minus 600. Now we can write this like this: 600 plus 600 is equal to 2 Ti plus Ti. So from this 3 Ti is equal to 1200. Ti will be 1200 by 3. You will get this as 400 Kelvin. So therefore, the interface temperature is 400 Kelvin. As this is numerical ability type question, we need to fill this blank with the answer for the interface temperature as 400 Kelvin. So we need to be very much careful with the units, whether he has asked in Kelvin or centigrade. So then you need to substitute. As in this question, it was asked in Kelvin and both the temperatures that were given are also in Kelvin. We can easily answer this. So this is the end of the explanation for this question.